And welcome into Bon Appetit. Well, we're just a couple of weeks away from Christmas, and it's a good time to be looking for some usual Christmas gifts, especially if you're friends that are health conscious. How about some vintage olive oil from Vintage Olive? Ed Gannon's here.
Yes, sir.
And you guys are located in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center.
That's correct.
Which is right along Vaughan Road. Mm-hmm. You know, Chappie's is at the very opening of it.
That's right. Well,
and then just come all the way to the back side, next door to Pepper Tree Wine and Steaks.
That's us.
And it's Vintage Olive. You guys have been there for what, 16 years?
15, I think.
15 or 16 years. Yeah. It's
Well,
amazing. Time flies
amazing
when you're having a good time.
Yeah.
But again, they've got such a variety of olive oils, and olive oil is a very clean food to eat. When we talk about clean foods, it's pure, isn't it?
Well,
if you get it right.
One of the healthiest foods you can eat, and yeah, that's the key to getting it right. About 70% of grocery store olive oils won't pass the extra virgin test because the FDA doesn't regulate it. But we buy our olive oils from the producer and bottle it in the store, so it's super fresh. We also get our vinegars from the producer, and they're all 12-year aged balsamics from Italy.
And of course, at this time of the year, come and get some for yourself. If you saw our show last week, we talked about how you can use olive oil for a lot of your leftovers.
That's right.
But I mean, and salads, and use it for cooking. And you've got a variety of seasonings at the store too, don't you?
Yeah, we have about 50 hand-blended seasonings, and the guy that makes them for us doesn't make them till we order them, so they're super fresh, and you can use them for bread dipping, adding to meat, soups, chilies, just vegetables, all kinds of stuff.
Things. And of course, you can go to their website and get information, and also go to Facebook, Instagram, and get some recipes, because we can't put all the recipes on here, but that's the way you have to get recipes, because I'm not going to provide any.
Yeah, and we do have recipes at the store. We have an old railroad station, so we got dozens of recipes we can stick in your bag, so you can do that. But yeah, the vintageolive.com and Facebook. Facebook is what I call backyard cooking, just some fun, easy to do recipes that anybody can do in their backyard.
It's neat. It's the best way to do it. Now, if we're looking at something like this, if you want to give somebody an unusual gift for Christmas, you can come in and buy them. A lot of them are already packaged up, or find a couple of vinegars or oils you like, and you'll bake them into a package for them.
That's great. We can, like I said, we'll have all kinds of like hot and spicy ones, or herbal ones, or just ones that are already pre-packaged. Or you can tell us what you want, and we'll package it up. It's good to do oil and vinegar. Put a seasoning pack in the back. We also do these little sampler packs that are little smaller bottles, anywhere from 2 bottles on up to however many you want.
And you put them in a pack. This way, a person has a chance to try different types of olive oil.
And for every flavor that's in the bag, we have a little recipe card in there to go with it.
That makes it nice. And the nice thing about it, too, is Ed was saying, come into the store, figure out what you is, give Carly, who's the young lady that kind of runs that thing on a continual basis, give her the address.
She doesn't kind of run it. She does
run it. And, we've told her we want her to come on the show, and she goes, oh, I don't do that. She says, we get Ed to do that. The other thing, too, hey, I'm Italian. What's this? Pasta.
Yeah, that's the best pasta that we've ever tried.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, we've probably got a dozen different flavors and styles, but they're handmade pastas, so they're great in gift baskets. And
this one's a greens. You may say, what's a green pasta? Tell us about it.
Yep, spinach and garlic. So it's a
very good for you.
Yeah, and very delicious for you.
Amen.
Yeah. And then also, one of the things before I forget, this is everybody's favorite Christmas gift. It's a gift certificate in a bottle. So you can do whatever amount you want. We'll seal it up in a bottle, and people can come in and just sample, and we can educate them, and they can pick out their own gift.
You get the things they want to get. Yeah. Now, last time when you were here, Ed, we talked about these vegetables, and this is zucchini, squash, yellow squash, and red pepper.
Red onions.
Red onions, I mean. And this was made with a marinade of olive oils and vinegar.
We did.
And some of the seasoning.
That's correct. It's got a little garlic olive oil, a little rosemary olive oil to saute it. And then for finishing, I did a little Neapolitan herb balsamic vinegar with honey ginger balsamic vinegar, and it's kind of a teriyaki flavor. And then a little sprinkle of either the toasted sesame seed or the bread seasoning, but you can kind of take your pick on what kind of seasoning. But this is a 10-minute dish that everybody will rave over.
And you can either out of the pot hot, or you can just refrigerate it and eat it a couple of days later.
Yeah, and it's
Just heat
just,
it up again.
Carly loves it cold. It's a really thing you can just eat right out of the refrigerator.
It's a great way to do it. So just remember this, it's Vintage Olive. They're located in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center, open from Tuesday till Saturday from 10 till 6 in the afternoon. The week before Christmas, they'll be open on that Monday also.
That's correct.
Never on Sunday.
Never on Sunday.
Never on Sunday, okay. And we'll be right back right after this.